Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Facebook page clean and free from unwanted language, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily hide profanity from your page posts and comments using Facebook's latest update, all from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select your page by clicking on its name or profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main feed. Now, once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo again. This will bring up your page's menu options. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy section. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will take you to all the settings you can adjust for your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of settings categories. Scroll down until you find Follower and Public Content. Click on it to open the options related to who can interact with your page and how. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Hide Posts and Comments with Profanity. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Simply click to enable this feature. Once you've turned it on, Facebook will automatically filter out posts and comments that contain profanity, helping you maintain a positive and welcoming environment on your page. That's it. You've just taken a big step toward keeping your Facebook page a friendly and respectful space for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.